In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Terraria. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. Firstly, you will need to download Steam if you don't have it yet. And once you open it and log into your account, you just need to search for Terraria right here. Click the game and scroll down. So in my case, as you can see, Terraria is already in my Steam library, but if you want to get it, you just need to go right here and add it to your cart. Then click on view my card, and now because I already own this game, I can't continue, but you need to click on continue the payment and then link your payment. You can use your Steam wallet balance, you can use PayPal or credit card, and there are also some more payment methods available depending on your country. After that, just complete the payment and go to library and then collections, and right here you should find Terraria. So just click it and you should see the install button. So you can install it, and after a few minutes you can start playing the game. If you don't like it, you will have a few hours to test it, and then you can request a refund for any reason. For example, if it doesn't run on your computer, if you find it too hard, or if you don't like it. So that's it. That's how you can download and play Terraria on PC. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.